This is the story of an intern, let's call her Ananya, and her family who had the illusion that they stand a chance to bully and harass me and my PA and my company when they're at fault. To give you a little context, in the mental health industry, there are two types of internships. एक stipend wali or एक where the intern pays us for training them. And this happens because us as mental health practitioners, we have to put aside a lot of clients, a lot of work just to train them. हमारे बहुत resources use होते हैं, हमारी बहुत energy use होती है, हमारा बहुत time use होता है, where we are not earning anything out of it and they're not bringing anything to the table. So the girl who started as my fan turned out to be the biggest headache of my life. Ananya started as, ma'am, please mentor me, I'm your fan, please, I will do anything, I will start anytime, you have to start a cohort for me, please do this, please do this, please do this. And when it comes to intern, I like the passion. Of course, there are other things as well. But sometimes with students, you can work with raw and eager because at least they're eager to learn. For a bachelor's pass out, she didn't even know the basics. Something everybody knows in their first semester. That's like the ABC. I gave her a time off around 1.5 months and I told her just go back, read the 11th and 12th NCRTs and that is your holy Bible. Come back to me after that. If your basics aren't clear, then I can't help you with the practical exposure and the training that is needed here, which you're here for, to learn. Right? Ananya came back with zero learning whatsoever. It was like she didn't even open the books. Before you come at me, education, theory, practical, all of these mattered together. I still kept it professional for her because that was my job, that was my duty. Every single thing that she submitted was literally AI. All the homework that I've ever given, everything is on her AI. I've caught her. And obviously I got pissed because would you go to a therapist who opens ChatGPT to tell you what to do? Bhai, ye to tum bhi kar lete. And the whole point of being with a therapist and not with AI is to not get the biased response, to not get that the only solution is empathy, accountability and CBT. Which is why I was pissed. Which is why we have a zero AI policy. And she kept being so stubborn कि नहीं ये तो मैंने किया, ये तो मैंने किया, ये तो मैंने किया. And I gave her screenshots कि भाई more than 40%, 50%, 70% तक तुम्हारा AI detection आ रहा है. तुम बोल क्या रहे हो मेरे सामने? And then she started texting me, you haven't done this, you haven't done this. Like, oh, baby girl, do you own the company? Are you the mentor? Are you the supervisor? Are you the guide? I even got complaints from her teammate that it feels like she's teaching everything that I have taught them in the session afterwards in the homework time where the group projects are supposed to be done. And that's when I realized that this generation is so irritating. And I promise you, all of these things have been addressed very professionally multiple times. So finally, the internship was coming to an end and I had to give them the grades on their certificates and the LORs and whatever was promised in the deliverable. I could have failed her because she did. I didn't. I still gave her a D which says passed but unsatisfactory. The moment she got her certificate, that is when even my HR went, Pooja, what is this behavior? 7 बजे से लेके 9:30 बजे तक constant calls, video calls, WhatsApp calls, messages to me, to my PA, to the co-founder messages गए हैं. इतना इसने एफर्ट डाला है ना कि नहीं मेरा ग्रेड चेंज कर दो. यही एफर्ट अगर अपनी लाइफ में लगा लिया होता तो वाओ. But this was not her alone. Her family was also involved. After relentless calling, my PA informing them that look, ma'am is in a meeting, me informing them that please stop calling. My phone feels like a fucking vibrator. बस कर दो भाई. I am in a meeting. I can't have this kind of a disturbance right now. And them thinking कि हाँ भाई हम तो उन्हीं के लिए खाली बैठे हुए हैं. The whole world can rest. हम तो सिर्फ इन्हीं के ग्रेड चेंज करने के लिए अपना सारा स्केड्यूल, अपना सारा टाइम, अपना सारा काम हटा कर बैठे हैं कि ये कॉल करेंगे, हम इनका ग्रेड चेंज करेंगे and everybody will get a happy ending, right? उसके बाद भी मुझसे बहसबाजी करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. I understand where they're coming from. They paid a hefty amount of 10k, 5k per month for the training and I paid it for the training. They are on my head कि आपने certificate and I was like, ma'am, इतना महंगा सर्टिफिकेट तो नहीं बेच रही हूँ मैं. She paid it for training and she got it. And then she kept on saying, हमारे लिए तो 10,000 बहुत बड़ा अमाउंट है, आपके लिए नहीं हो सकता, हमारे लिए तो है, हमारे लिए तो है, हमारे लिए तो है. And I get it. I'm saying 10,000 is a big amount. And then I had to tell her कि आप लोगों ने 10,000 पे करे, काम तो मैंने 30,000 का करा. And then she got offended. She got offended कि तुम numbers कैसे बीच में ला रहे हो. And I was like, sweetheart, you started. You wanted a rationale. Why did she get a D? I gave you the rationale. And you keep on saying, I understand where you're coming from. I know you're right, but on a third but I was like, ma'am, please stop it. If you understand where I'm coming from, and you know that I'm 100% right, but की कोई गुंजाइश ही नहीं रहती है. Stop this call. There is no meaning to this call. You wanted a rationale, you got a rationale. And I had to quite literally end the call by saying, look, unless you have a scheduled session with me or a scheduled appointment, my time is charged. So please make sure next time that is happening if you want to have a word with me. Even after this, like any normal professional, we also sent an official mail where you'll get all the other deliverables by the end of 2 weeks. You'll get the in-depth feedback, all the feedback forms, everything. The first two documents are already with you. Bhai, ye ladki. She's sending me screenshots that your email has AI in it. How can you condone it? How can you say something to me when you've done that? First of all, girlie, bold of you to assume that I write the emails. I have people for that. Second of all, do you not understand the difference? You can't be chat GPTing what to do with my client on their faces versus an email probably structured by AI. फिर तुम लोग कहते हो why are these bosses so cold and vindictive? Because you have led us there. This is not my first rodeo. I'm sure it's not gonna be my last. This is just an everyday where we have to kind of teach now that there is a difference between standing up for yourself and being outrightly battamiz. And I'm not saying the whole Gen Z sucks, because for the love of God, I have had ample Gen Z interns and I have had amazing students. The ones who give the initiatives, the ones who are very creative, the ones who are passionate and eager to learn. And they put in efforts. And I'm not saying efforts for me, for the internship or whatever. They put in efforts for their career. नेक्स्ट टाइम किसी बॉस को गाली देने से पहले ये सोच लेना कि तुम उन लोगों को कितना टॉर्चर करते हो. इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज द बॉस. अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स इट्स द इंटाइटल्ड एम्प्लॉयज और द interns. And I'm still saying, not 100%. Sometimes the bosses are assholes, sometimes the interns are assholes, and sometimes the employees are assholes. But please make judgments correctly. Thank you for hearing my rants. Hope this humbles you before you directly just call the management or the boss an asshole, because we have a lot of things going on. We do have bigger fish to fry. And then these menial things, when they can be avoided so easily by keeping the right kind of professionalism, the right kind of demeanor, it irritates the hell out of us. We come from a place that we're surviving on 3 to 4 hours of sleep, and we're not having so much fun and parties as you guys think. We're not going out clubbing, we're working. Our mind is constantly an Excel sheet. Sales, marketing, employees, client turnover, employee turnover, the mental health of the employees, the physical health of the employees, the insurances, our clients, partnerships. Every second we breathe, our time is money. Requesting all the bosses to be more thoughtful towards their employees and interns, and requesting interns and employees to be more professional and thoughtful and humble towards their bosses and management.